Moon Platoon, ladies and gents, yours truly, Bob Ross, the Mr. Rogers, the sweater-wearing, collared shirt, Andrew Mo Money of stocks, coming to tell you AMC's short interest is the highest it's been, nearing 100 million out of the free float, and that is just the beginning. It's a big summer blowout. The market is hurting. The market has been hurt all over, red across the board for Monday and Tuesday. Rebound Tuesday did not happen. Although you could say that AMC has gone down to lower depths than it has in a long time, hitting that 37.65, roughly 5-6% down, and then recovering its breath, coming through some critical levels of resistance, and then ending the day right below the 39.66. That has been the height of the last part of the day. We're going to explain all of that, including who won that raffle from the last video, and if you guys stick to the end, you'll also have an opportunity to win something from andrewmomoney.com, the merch store, and you guys can also learn a little bit more about how to earn those 6 figs in 6 months. That financial freedom is the path that we are on, so let's get right into it. First things first, you'll notice that the short interest on Ortex, right? You can use this data yourself by going to the description down below. Check it out, 19.47%. This is an additional 4.49% short interest change. If you move that graph a little bit over here, you'll be able to see the data for the failures to deliver. That allows us to be able to understand exactly how hard are the shorters, the short hedge funds or short financial institutions, are fighting against the stock. As of the June squeeze, the yellow bars here are showing you just how much of these FTDs a failure to deliver an obligation on a short. Now, I've had playlists, so many videos explaining what is a naked short, exactly what is an obligation, and what is a failure to meet that obligation. If you guys would like to, those playlists are in the home page of this video. You can look down in the channel down below. But look at this, 17.5 million, right? And then that is coming off of 20 million failures to deliver in a week's worth of data alone. This is back in June. Now you can take a look at the fact that they are letting off the steam, and they are letting the normal interest, the calculatable interest here, the one that brings us up higher and higher from the 15% range to the 20% range, now is getting larger and larger. The good thing about Ortex is that you can also take a look at other stocks you would like to see potential short squeezes for. Let's take a look at GME as a small comparison. Look at how GameStop is also increasing its short interest, 3.1%, but it is at 13.15% instead. Still substantial, right? That is above the double digits and roughly around where a Volkswagen squeeze was, although those two are hard to compare. Let's take a look at the Lux algorithm. Gives you buy and sell signals. We've had a sell on the hourly for a while, but now you might notice it is dipping on into those reversal bands, these green clouds here. That is a nice little quality of the different time periods that you could use to see the stock either on the macro or the micro scale. Here we're taking a look at the buy signal from earlier today. That would have brought you from 38.22 to that strong sell signal at the top of 39.59. Another stock, for example, on a different time frame would be able to give you a lot of a stronger picture of how to be able to understand which signals are here to stick on the long term and which signals are actually just a temporary blip. We don't want you to catch a dead cat bounce, and that's why I want to be able to go through a little bit of the news as well. Take a look at the fact that AMC was bringing the crypto universe into their theaters, all except Doge, right? So AMC CEO runs poll on whether theater chains should accept the meme cryptocurrency. You know Adam Aaron is in here. He is saying, sincerely would like to hear your opinion via this Twitter poll. By year-end 2021, AMC will take Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash for online payments. I hear from many on my Twitter feed we should accept Dogecoin too. Do you think AMC should explore accepting Dogecoin? So I want to hear what you guys have to say about this. I want you guys to go down to the comments or tweet at me at Andrew Mo Money on either Twitter or Instagram, because I'm very curious about what you guys think. right now, as the crypto world is facing a major slump, some more than others. We have Bitcoin down 3.5%. Right now, it's currently hovering right on that $41,000 range and still just jumping around. This is critical support. We've tracked this months ago, and the next level of resistance all the way up to 46,783. Dogecoin is down another 2% today, but that is after a major dump from a couple of days ago. Roughly around that 17th, September 17th is the height of the Dogecoin rip, all the way up to 25 cents, now down to 20. So as a 20% dip in a matter of days. Also looking at Ethereum, Ethereum has taken the biggest dip as of the three. We are looking at a bottom of 2,800. That is currently where Ethereum is trading as of taping this video. Make sure that you understand that the best thing about this is kind of like Christmas, where all of the stocks that you care about, you love, and you know are going to survive, the Apples, the Disneys, the universes that have already been created, the giants of the economy, those stocks are on sale. So whether or not you are using these tools that I just introduced to you, the Webull that gets you some free stocks when you press the description down below also gets you free level 2 data for a while. You can take a look at the description down below and understand that, hey, it's a world where there are many data and noise in the world. How do you translate that to an actual narrative? Something that would make sense even to the beginner investor. So hopefully we are going on that financial literacy journey together. I want to be able to shout out the fact that you guys got to this part of the video. So if you do comment out, say that, hey, I'm here for the raffle section, just like we have had Mr. or Ms. or Mrs. Crypto Schmed. They made it to the raffle section and they are now getting chosen for this section of the video. So they commented out in a previous video. I want to be able to say thank you and make sure that you understand that when you guys do give a little to the channel to feed that algorithm with us, smash that like all the way up to 2,800 and comment out which one you are, then you'll be able to get a little bit back out. What I'm saying back out is you guys are going to be able to go to that andrewmomoney.com and take a look at the different kinds of gear we have. We have meatball gear, we have AMC, GME, and meatball. We also have mugs for the Moon Platoon themselves. So go ahead, email me at andrewmobusiness@gmail.com and tell us what size thing you want. And you could also win something just by going down and checking out the website. Thank you guys once again. Make sure that you understand that the market does not sleep just because it's closed. People are constantly crunching the numbers back in behind the scenes. So when you guys are also taking a look at that data, you'll be able to increase your literacy and be able to jump into a world of financial freedom. And if that sounds good, patrons on Patreon are able to access my 6-figure portfolio. So I do want to shout out the Moon Platoon Grillionaire and Meatball, the Space Legend tiers, for making this show a possibility. If you guys want to be able to be part of the end screen, I still need to update it, but you might find yourself on a future update by going down to Patreon or hitting that join button next to the subscribe button. Thanks for making this show possible, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.